Hey crafty people, I cannot wait to show you our brand new Neon Daze collection. This is a mini release of 4 brand new core colours to expand our range. This collection is inspired by the electric atmosphere of festival season, inviting you to lose yourself in the days of sun-drenched days and neon lit nights. First, say hello to Shockwave. Gorgeously glossy and smooth, this vibrant pink is giving main stage energy. Next, Inferno brings the intensity of a summer sunset. This punchy orange shade brings warmth that is rich enough to radiate straight off the page. Lime Zest brings a jolt of pure energy. This green is bold, sharp, and impossible to ignore. Last, but by no means least, is Electric Pulse. This high clarity blue brings a cool electric edge to the heat of our Neon Daze collection. These colours are versatile enough to work on light backgrounds, but the intensity of colour really comes into its own against a dark backdrop. Our design team has had so much fun playing with this collection, and they've created so much gorgeous inspiration to share with you all. No matter whether you are loud, proud and unapologetic, or you prefer something a little more subtle, you'll find an abundance of inspiration for how to use these stunning new colours. Check out the description box below for details on how to get your hands on the new collection, and you'll also find a sneaky little discount code there too. Keep your eyes out for all of the stunning inspiration that the team have put together for you over the coming weeks. Have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.